Aquamat has a wide range of mobile water treatment plants ranging from skid-mounted systems, containerized systems, and trailer-mounted systems with on-road and off-road configurations. These systems are ideal for emergencies, rural areas, point-to-point water treatment, and military use. All of our water treatment plants are extremely durable, easy to operate and maintain, and sufficient training is provided by our experienced technical staff to ensure maximum functionality. Service and maintenance plans are also available. Our systems are designed and developed to each client's exact need to ensure water is treated efficiently and cost-effectively. In this video, we will demonstrate an Aquamat trailer-mounted water treatment plant, which is capable of producing 5,000 liters an hour of ultra-filtrated, sterile drinking water, as well as 1,000 liters an hour of reverse osmosis treated water. The trailer frame is enclosed with thermo panels and upswing doors supported by telescopic pistons, with clever stowaway drawers. Let's run through the operation of the system. Firstly, ensure your raw water pump is removed from the trailer and placed close to the water source, be it borehole, river, dam, or municipal water. This pump is mounted on a separate base plate and is equipped with quick couplers to accommodate the supplied 3-meter suction hose and 5-meter lay-flat delivery hose. Ensure all couplings on the pump is securely fitted. Now the suction hose can be placed in or connected to the water source, and the lay-flat delivery hose can be connected to the plant's inlet marked raw water. Next, the supplied wastewater lay-flat hose can be connected to the plant's outlet marked waste. Ensure the wastewater hose is designated to a drain or suitable runaway area. Now the supplied lay-flat clean water hose can be secured to the plant's outlet marked clean water. This lay-flat hose can be connected to the holding tank or directly supply the allocated water distribution point. Before operating the Aquamat water treatment plant, ensure the supplied earth spike is securely placed in the ground. It is now safe to connect the raw water pump to the plant's power feed and switch on the supplied silent diesel generator, which will supply power to the plant. Once the generator is up and running, the plant's DB board can now be used to switch on the earth leakage, reverse osmosis system, circulation pumps, dosing pumps, ultraviolet system, and internal light. Water will now be drawn from the water source via the raw water pump and delivered to the water treatment plant. Once the water enters the plant, it will activate the pump control, which in turn will activate the dosing pumps. These dosing pumps are used to dose the correct amount of chemicals used in the water treatment process. Firstly, the dosing of the coagulant takes place in the first mixing manifold. The mixing manifolds speed up the effectiveness of the chemicals. Coagulant is used to start the flocculation process, which allows for flocks to be formed and the sediment to be easily removed from the water. Next, chlorine is dosed into the second mixing manifold for effective sterilization of the water. Once the water has passed through the mixing manifolds, it will now enter the first filter, which is a Turbidex filter, able to filtrate down to 5 micron. This unique filter media is far more effective than silica sand and will remove 99% of sediment in the water. Next, the water will pass through the activated carbon filter to remove all taste, odor, color, and excess chlorine from the water. Water then passes to the Extratron berm filter to remove all iron, manganese, and other heavy metals. The water will now move through a 20-inch sediment filter, which will remove any remaining sediment from the water before entering the reverse osmosis system. This independent system treats water with high mineral salts, which are not acceptable for human consumption. The reverse osmosis system can be bypassed when water is treated with acceptable mineral salt contents. The reverse osmosis system can also be configured as a desalination plant to treat water with a total dissolved solid reading of 18,000 parts per million and higher. From the reverse osmosis system, the water will now pass through the last stage, which is the ultraviolet sterilization system, which will eliminate all pathogens. Clean, world-class drinking water can now be supplied to your holding tank or distribution point at a flow rate of 1,000 liters an hour or 5,000 liters an hour. This system consists of the following: one 5.5 kVA power generator, one raw water pump, 2 Aquamat special mixing manifolds, 3 Aquamat automatic dosing pumps with 100-liter mixing tanks, 1 Turbidex filter, 1 Extratron berm filter, 1 activated carbon filter, 1 ultraviolet sterilizer, 1000-liter an hour reverse osmosis unit, quick coupler connections, suction hose, and lay flat hoses.